now it's done. I did the final exam this morning. I'm very happy about this. So I had a really beautiful time here. So when I'm looking back, from the start, from the beginning, it was very fiery, amazing, this place here, beautiful. And also that helps really to go deeper into the practice, and then all the people I met. And it was beautiful to have this stable practice every morning. Helps me very much to come into my body and purifying myself, like connecting to all my levels I can reach. And I feel very much like blessed. Thank you. Thank you to you all. Thank you to you teachers. And from the first beginning, when I arrived here, it was amazing, beautiful place, which was so inspiring and perfect to deepening the practice and the learning. So it was beautiful, all the content and also the structure, like 2.5 hours yoga asanas in the morning. Beautiful, it was strengthening my body so very much, and also purifying all the other levels, like mental levels, emotional levels, and a beautiful connection to the divine also. Wow. What to say in words? It's just from the heart I can say like this. I highly can recommend to come here. It's really a beautiful experience. And I thank you so much, Jan and Naomi. Yeah, thank you.